Spring has arrived, so we went out on a journey to find the source of a nearby river. It was an amazing journey that ended with an excellent dish. We made black tiger prawns with spring salad. For this recipe we used olive oil, avocado, carrots, radish, garlic, tarragon, fresh parsley, pickled onions, fresh black tiger prawns, mint, salt and ground pepper. We start by peeling a few carrots. We cut thin slices. We use a peeler to cut it as thin as possible. We do the same with the radish. We cut a few pickled onions. We use baby onions, but you can use the regular ones. Just be sure to cut them in small pieces. We clean and slice some avocado. The exact amounts are in the description below, as always. We squeeze some lemon juice. We add olive oil and we season with salt and ground pepper. We proceed by making a chimichurri for our salad. We chop some fresh parsley. We add the mint. We use dried mint because we didn't have fresh. We chop some tarragon. And we clean and dice a few cloves of garlic. We season with salt. We add extra virgin olive oil and a squeeze of lemon juice. We add it to the salad and we mix it well. we prepare our cast iron pan. We add a bit of olive oil and we sear the black tiger prawns for a minute. We season them with salt and ground pepper, and last we add the diced garlic. We give it a good mix and we are done. This is a very simple dish. It is fresh and full of flavor. It is a perfect choice to make outside on an amazing spring day. If you enjoyed our video, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment below. See you next time.